Welcome to 1713 Sandoval Drive here in Durham, North Carolina. This neighborhood has every amenity that you could ask for and perfectly situated between Briar Creek and downtown Durham. It's an easy commute to most everything at your fingertips, and this home was just built. Built in 2020 and meticulously designed with intentionality in every single room, and upgraded in ways that you might actually miss if you don't look carefully. A sealed crawl space, soft close cabinetry, and pull-out drawers and shelves in the kitchen. I can't say enough about how this home was built and designed. No matter whether you're looking for your first time home, a little bit more space, or downsizing, you will love living here on Sandoval Drive.